First impression of the kitchen cabinets. Just got off of work. What time? Now what time is it? What the heck? I'm putting my code to the house and I'm like, what time is it? Moment of truth. Oh wow, guys, it's so cute. Look at it. It looks like a kitchen, man. Let's go. Actually, guys, last minute change. We colored the beam a different, darker color. My mom's impression of the house.
Hello, people.
Hello.
Uy, qué bonita.
¿Te gusta y no para abrazarla?
Sí, me gusta.
Si no, para regresarnos.
Okay, guys, it's a different day, but I showed you guys my first impression of the kitchen. I love it. We're just missing one more cabinet here, which is right there. That will get done tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then the kitchen will be done. And then next step would be countertops. And there's a lot of, I need like a little vacuum. But next piece would be countertops for these. Countertops. I'm thinking more like white, lighter color with like goldish maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But this is the view from here. I love it. Oh my god. Sorry, the floors are so dirty. I just swept them. Is that how you say? I just swept. But and then we're restaining this. I wanted to tell you guys yesterday, we're restaining it to this like darker because this side is a little bit lighter, so a little bit more darker. I don't know, at this point I feel so bad because they've restained it like so many times. This is the third time they stain it, my dad, because of me. But anyways, yeah, almost there. Lots of dust everywhere. Until next time, when I'm choosing countertops. Countertops is the next step. Hi guys, welcome back. It's officially almost done. We kind of messed up here. We're changing this size of this one because the fridge, when we open this drawer, is gonna hit the fridge. So we have to get this a little bit smaller to add a few inches there. So that's the hold up, but the crowning is done. Let's go. See how tiny like space there is there. So that's the tea. Guys, the floors are done. Update. Woohoo! This is one of my favorite parts about the house are the floors. Look at it. Look at this. It's so cute. Guys, it's official. It's looking like a home. It's looking like a home. The floors in the kitchen, they kind of got installed around the same time. So now the next step is exchanging this one here for a smaller size because the fridge is gonna go here, and when we open this here, it's gonna hit the fridge. So we have to change it to a different size, which is right there. And we're gonna add a filler here so then it can push the cabinet out a little bit more. Handles, kitchen handles. I had already ordered these, but the package only came with 9, so we had to reorder them. But yes, they're good. They look like this. So good. Like that. They look like this. It will look cute. Date. Baseboard baseboard and trim something. Trim casings around the doors are getting installed. I decided to go with a smaller baseboard. There's like a 5-inch. I think this is like 3 inches. But yeah, and then the closet doors got installed. Ooh. We just need little like handles. Same thing. This is a bigger closet, so I have more space, but super cute. It's coming along. I just need to paint this door. This door is already painted. But yeah, thinking about ideas to how to like maximize space into the closets. But yeah, next thing is putting countertops. Oh yeah, they fixed the kitchen. They added the filler. And then this drawer is smaller. Previous drawer is over there. And then this one thankfully stayed the same. So the appliances, oh, and I got a microwave now. But the only thing that the microwave was gonna go up here, so they have to make a little plug-in in here, in there. So it's like a drawer one. Super cute. Okay, almost there. Hi guys, welcome back. I don't know what part this is anymore, but today we're gonna go look at countertops and hopefully we find something that matches with the vibe of the house. Yesterday we went to go look at one. I'll put a little clip of what it was, but it's very expensive there, so we're going to different places today to go see what they have there. So we're back.
Unless you're gonna do this one.
There, so we're going to different places today to go see
No
what
saben
they
ni lo
have.
que es.
No sale lo que hay,
I mean a little bit in a few spots. Guys, and we're back. Guys, I'm back and I'm better at the counter.
Give them a tour of where you're at and what you're doing.
Okay, so we're at MSI and we're getting some countertops. Come follow me. Follow. I'm looking at this one for the house. Has some gold lining to it. And right now we're looking to get a big slab of it to see what it looks like. And yeah.
Good one.
Justice. Guys, we're at a different tile place, or not tile. What do you call this? Stone? Quartz. This one's cute. It does not make justice. Guys, we're looking at this one. This one's cute. It just doesn't look good in the video, but I promise it's like a tan brown color. I think
Grandes diseñadores que ponen en las cocinetas.
just editing the video. So basically after that we had decided on the other one and we were gonna order it, and then my dad seen online a different one that would match a little bit better because it was like a gold. And so then we had to order it and it came from like Florida or something. So that took like 2 more weeks and then we finally had it installed, which is the next clip.
Porque cayó, pero no se ve damage. Aquí donde deja dañar el piso.
Grandma's first impression of the house. ¿Le gusta?
Sí, cómo no. Mira. Qué bonita. Sí. Qué bonito.
Ve al baño, mira al baño. Oye, lo voy a mirar.
No, está bien. No, sí. Mira nomás. Qué hermosura. ¿Eh? Una bonita hermosura con una princesa hermosa, ¿verdad?
But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I really love my kitchen. I'm glad we waited the 2 weeks for the other slab that we had ordered online. It was taking a really big risk because I didn't see it in person. I only saw it through pictures, and I just kind of hoped for the best, and I was like, please match the vibe of the house. And thankfully, yeah, I really love it. It ended up being quartz, not quartzite, which was the first ones I was seeing. They were so beautiful, so beautiful. I would have loved to have those, but they were just a little bit out of the budget for me. And maybe in my future home, we'll see. I didn't want to go all out on this home, because who knows which the future will bring, I guess you could say. I don't know. But yeah, until next video, which will probably can't talk, which will be the appliances, installing appliances and some lights that will go on top of the island. But yeah.